As a continuation, we'll quickly also learn how to delete pages from PDF. Here we have 7 pages. Let's write a code to delete these 2 pages that was inserted. That will be second and the third page. I'm going to close this, take the file path. I'll just have it here for a moment. We'll just copy and replicate the combined code. We'll just delete all the unnecessary code. Let's call this delete. Let me just insert this in a new module. Everything is same. We just need to insert a statement to delete these pages. Now we'll call this delete edited output. The method or the syntax to delete is just .delete pages. Here you specify the index or the page number. Again, the count starts from 0. Since we want to delete from second, we'll say 1, and ending will be 2. We'll say debug.print deleted. Else failed to delete. That should be it. So we'll quickly give it a run. So it'll open up this output file here, delete the page from 2 to 3. Since the index again is starting from 0, just keep that in mind. And once this deletion is complete, it will try to save the file as edited output.pdf. If it is able to save it, it will say document.save. It's same as the one that we did for combine the PDF. Let's give it a run. Document saved. Edited.output. As you can see, that 2 pages has been deleted.